I heard that drop.
No, that was a tire in there. That was a tire in the fuel cell.
Oh.
It went
Boom.
boom.
When you were going up, when I was behind you,
Yeah.
you looked like a spider, man. Your tires like,
Oh, really?
like you were like all four of your tires like.
Yeah! There you go!
I bet, 'cause last time we went through this way and we came through the other way where we were on the inside.
Yeah, last week was the first week I actually started to play around with it.
Yeah.
The thing is
This
just,
thing's a lot
the
easier.
wheelbase is just insane. So some things are good for them and some things are
Right,
horrible.
right.
You know you got it. You know yours.
Oh, the problem is we wanted to keep it on the truck because we knew what he wanted.
Yeah.
He's ready to buy, but we wanted to make sure we got exactly what we wanted. So he doesn't have to
That is probably one of them. When I come up, this was what I was trying to find before, but I didn't go up far enough north to get here. That's why
That was awesome, man. That was awesome.
the body's a little long for that final part. A two-door would go through no sweat.
Yeah, it looks like a two-door, no problem.
Yeah, that might be more two-door for me. Come on, articulate that baby.